In Hypertrack application, we have 4 main departments. One is user or a contractor, second one is a staff, third one is a major client, and fourth one is super admin. So user or contractor is having all these options. So, and if it is a contractor, we will have an option for pay now for the subscription. So user will have a chat box. I'll open it in separate tabs. So the user will have a chat box. In that he can see the previous chat history, whatever the chats he has done. And second, he will have a application status. So this is a new user, so I cannot show an application status here, but like all the applications and its status, it will be shown here. I can show it in the local. So this user, we have an application status. All the application status will be shown here. All the applications currently he had made. So he'll be having the current department it is assigned, its comments, and updated by all those things. Application status you can see here. And like once you click on that, if there is any attachment which are given, we can see in the attachment list also. So that is the application status. Third one is apply for a new service. User can go for applying, so he can enter his details. ABC company, need to enter the basic details which is asked here. And he need to enter a document name or subject. So he'll be uploading a document. He need to enter just a name for, like, suppose application for voters ID card. You need to select a major client to whom he need to assign this thing. So we are giving, for example, we are giving for Collectorate Kottayam or IRCTC Kerala, and he need to select a department in which he can assign this thing. So I'm giving NTTC. So there is no sub department in that. You can choose if it is there, or you can leave it blank. And you need to choose a document, whichever the document you need to submit for the application. You need to select a document and submit it. So once the document is submitted, you will be getting a application reference number, which you can save somewhere for the future use. My network is a little bit slow, so you'll be getting the application ID. You need to write it down somewhere. That is you have applied. Once you have applied, you can see it in the application status. There you can see that application. That particular application is here. And all the history things in your account, all the applications you have made, all its history will be shown in this section. And there is another thing, that is chat with department staff. There will be a chat room, and there will be a chat with the department staff and chat with admin. So like there will be a common chat room in which everyone can ask their doubts, and like it will be like a forum. So like people will be asking, the different people will be asking different questions, and we can respond to that. And we can we can also ask the questions. And here is a chat with staff. Suppose I want to ask, so okay, there is no branch. So here I want to ask Samuel or see something. Click on chat now. it's a bit slow, I'm sorry for that. So in this you can directly chat with the admin, so you can directly type it and the admin will be getting notified. Like this, there will be a button for everyone, so there will be the notification coming on, so you can directly click on that and redirect it to the page, so you can respond to that questions you were like somebody asked, or you can reach out to other people also. By using this you can chat with the admin, or here you can chat with the staff.